Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Ketenat Korbari ke Sarkar Jela ubak Lakmen Remboi ulaong ba kejing kendo unong ngelam keliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma halor kejing don ki ba thau sengle no nak ba pedon kam nak bisa ba yolum lengba ki kambe an kam dei tang kejing kendo Henry haban pej bet pensyong nong rimba ya kejing keren jong ubak Remboi ulaong ba kejing kendo kabalawan ra da mukul kadai ke kubor na ke benta jong bat na ke liang ke Sarkar kan kmi ya kani mat pensyong nong rimha namar ke suk kesan ke long ke badon kam ha ke jela bat banshim kilat ke lenti banem don biang kanu ke kenhun leno ke baki kli biang ulaong ba katenat badai kmi kan sele ya ke badon kam ban pej ban pensyong nong rim ya ke jingkren ke bala penpau da unong elam ke liang persya knang bantip ya ke badai ne ke balaj bat kanu ke basisya bat ke bom sisya.
This is a news for me, but since it is being spoken or alleged by the leader of opposition, we cannot take this as the only allegation. We from the government, we will analyze because our mandate is to see that peace and tranquility is prevail in the state of Meghalaya, where no militant of it could raise their head again. So whatever statement he made, so we from the government will analyze and see what is there. Cannot say that Sumoto investigation, but we have our own agency to see and analyze and see what is right and what is wrong, what is true and what is false.